Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to represent data in MS Excel pictorially. As children, you know, charts are the pictorial representation of the data. They help us to provide a better understanding of large quantities of data. So children, in this video we will learn how to create chart, how to insert various components of a chart, and how to format the chart to make it more meaningful. So let us start with the selection of the data on which we have to create the chart. Okay, so first we will select the data on which we will create the chart. Okay, then you have to click on Insert tab. In the Insert tab, you can see here under the category of charts, various types of charts are available. Okay children, so you can choose any chart according to your requirement. Okay, suppose I am clicking on column chart. Under this category also various sub options are available, like 2D. 2D means two-dimensional, 3D means three-dimensional column chart, cylinder, cone, pyramid, and so on. Okay children, I'll explain you all these different types of charts one by one. So let us start with the very first type of chart, 2D column. Okay, two-dimensional column. So as soon as I'll click on this, as you can see on the screen, the chart will be inserted in a flash of time. Okay, so after inserting the chart, now the next thing is to adjust the chart on your spreadsheet. Okay, so children, it is so easy. From these borders you can just move your chart from one place to another place. Okay, as you can see, I can move the chart very easily from here. Okay, and to adjust the size, I can reduce the size from here. Okay, in this way you can adjust your chart on the screen. Clear? Now after the insertion of the chart, as you can see, the chart is little bit incomplete. Why? Because the various components of the charts are not there. Clear? And the chart is again not very much beautiful. Okay, so in order to make all these changes, the commands are available here. As you can see at the top, 3 new tabs are available now. Okay, the first one is design, the another one is layout, and the third one is the format. Okay, in design tab, as you can see, different chart styles are available. Okay, as now this chart style is being selected. Okay, if you want to change the style of the chart, you can change from here. From here also you can go for another different types of options available. Okay, so suppose if I want to change the color style like this, so I will click on this and the chart style will be changed for me. Okay children, it is so easy. You have to simply click on the command and the changes will be there in the chart accordingly. Okay, from here design tab also you can change the type of the chart. Suppose in place of column chart you want bar chart, okay, or line chart. So you don't have to create chart again and again. You have to simply click on this command, change chart type. You have to click here and then again the options will be available. Okay, suppose if I want to make different types of chart, if I want to make it bar chart, I have to simply click on that and I will click on OK. My chart will be changed. Okay children, so from where you can do that? From design tab, under this change chart type. Again you want the previous one, again you can change the chart like this. Okay, very easy. Okay, so in design tab you can change the designing of the chart. Clear? Now in the layout tab, from the layout tab you can use different components of a chart. As you can see, the very first component is chart title. Okay, so you have to click on this. It will ask you where you have to place your chart title. So I am selecting above chart. Okay, this will be displayed on the screen, and whatever text you have to display in this you can write. So as here I am writing report like this. Okay, so this is chart title. Then again click on layout, axis titles. As you know, there are two types of axis, x-axis and y-axis. If you want to display the titles for that, so here are the commands. Primary horizontal axis, where you have to place, you have to click here. you can see on the screen. Okay, and you have to click inside and you have to change the, as the title of this will be subjects, so I'm writing here subjects. Okay, similarly for here y-axis, you want to put the title. Again you have to click on layout, axis titles, vertical axis, and then horizontal, vertical, whatever you want. Okay, you have to click on that and that particular tab will be there, and then you have to type what are these are the marks, and you can click like this. Understood? So in this way you can insert different titles on your chart. Clear? Then the next command in layout is legend. What are legend? As you can see, children, different bars of different colors, like blue color bars or of Aditi, red color bars or of Naman. Okay, so these are called legends. So if you want to change the position of the legends at the top, at the left, at the bottom, okay, so if I'll click show legend at the bottom, the legends will be shifted towards the bottom of the chart. Okay, so from here layout legend, you can change the position of the legend from here one place to another place. Okay, layout. The next is data labels. Data labels are the values. Okay, suppose if I'll select inside base, so as you can see, children, the data values will be displayed inside these particular bars. So these are known as data labels. Clear? And data table is what? You want to show the data table, the data table of the data on which the chart has been drawn, then you can insert data table also. If you don't want to show this data table, again click on data table and click on none. The data table will be removed from the place. Okay, children. So from here layout tab, you can use different things. Clear? From axis, okay, horizontal axis is coming from left to right, from right to left. So you can change it as it is left to right selected. If I'll click on show right to left, so it will be changed from right to left, as you can see on the screen. So as soon as you will click on the command, the effect will be clearly visible and you can choose according to your requirement. Clear? So all these commands are available under which tab? Layout. What are grid lines? Grid lines are the horizontal and vertical lines available at the back of the chart. Okay, as you can see, vertical lines, these vertical and horizontal lines. If you don't want to show that, you can use grid lines. Okay, horizontal grid lines. I'll write, if I'll click on none, then horizontal grid lines will be disappear. Okay, so from here you can change the layout of the chart. You want to again show it, you can again show it. Clear? Now to change the color combination of the chart, I'll click on which tab? Format tab. As you can see, all the commands are available here. As you can see, different border colors are available, and as soon as I'm moving the mouse pointer on a particular command, the changes are reflected on the screen. So according to my requirement, I can use. If you want to see more options, from here you can move like this. Different options will also come with the background colors also will be changed. Okay, children. So from here you can change the foreground and background color of the chart like this. Okay, from where? From here, format. Okay, from here you can change the text. As you can see, word art style you can use from here, or from here also you can change different types of word style. Okay, if you want to use this, you can use it. Clear? From here, format tab, all the commands are available. Okay, shape fill, if you want to change the color of different, so you can choose any of the color combination from here, and the changes will be done very easily. Okay, from here, text effects, text outline, text fill. Okay, you can change text effects. If you want to glow, make it glow for you. So this. Okay, so these are the various formatting styles which you can use to make your chart more attractive and meaningful. Okay, children. So from here, these three tabs: design, layout and format,